Hello children, let me start with video number 18, in which I will discuss with you how to transform assertive into interrogatives or interrogatives into assertive. The first thing is that we should know what is an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is a sentence which asserts something or declares something. A sentence which declare or assert something is called an assertive sentence. Example, I love my country. Such sentences inform us, declare something. Okay, now but one more thing is here interrogative. So now what is interrogative here? A sentence that asks question. A sentence that ask a question, inquire something are called beta interrogative sentences, and such sentences are always end up with a question mark. Are you clear, beta? But in exam, we are asked to change one into another, assertive into interrogative, interrogative into assertives. Okay, there are some rules to be followed while changing the assertive into interrogative. Example is here: we should love our country. So, what type of sentence is this? It is assertive. We should love our country. Full stop. Okay, now first thing is that before converting into interrogative, what we should do, we have to underline the verb. We should love our country. Here should is a verb actually. So do one thing, keep should in front of. The first thing, we have to begin with the helping verb only to make a question. Should, then comes subject. We is the subject here. Should we not love our country? At the end will come question mark. If this is in a positive sentence, the interrogative will be in negative. Or if this is interrogative is in positive, then it will be in a negative. Are you clear? Again, I'm telling to you, if assertive is a positive sentence, okay, then interrogative will be negative. Are you clear? Let me read the example again. We should love our country. Where is the verb here? Should. So pick the verb and keep it in front before the subject. So it will be, should we not love our country? At the end will be question mark. If you do not put punctuations, your marks will be deducted. Okay, now the next example. A dishonest man is not respected. A dishonest man is not respected. First thing is that where is the verb? Here is a verb. So take it out and keep it in front. Is, then come your subject. A dishonest man respected, at the end will be the question mark. Okay, see now this like the first one example. A dishonest man is not respected. It is but a negative sentence, so the interrogative will be positive interrogative. Okay, so is a dishonest man respected? At the end will be question mark. Are you clear? Now one more example here. Can you love a sinner? Can you love a sinner? It is actually interrogative. Now you have to change interrogative into assertive. You cannot love a sinner. The same, you have to now take the verb from the beginning and keep it after the subject when you change interrogative into assertive. So again, can you love a sinner? It is a positive. You cannot love a sinner. It is a negative. This is the way we do. Are you clear? The meaning should not be changed. When we transform one structure into another, means interrogative into assertive, the meaning should not be changed. Who can forget his sacrifice? Who can forget his sacrifice? It means no one can forget his sacrifice. Are you clear, beta? No one can forget his sacrifice. Clear? Now next, one more example here. These examples will help you to make your base strong, and also after finishing these topics we will start working on the workbook. Now money does not grow on trees. Negative sentence. Does money grow on trees? Question mark. Means if it is a negative, if it is a negative sentence, beta, that it will be that the interrogative will be a positive. Okay, so money does not grow on trees. Does money grow on trees? Thing is that you have to underline the verb and take out this verb from the sentence and keep it in front to make it a interrogative sentence. So does money grow on trees? At the end will be the question mark. Again, now here, when will a wicked man prosper? When will a wicked man prosper? The answer should be assertive, but I say a wicked man will never prosper. A wicked man will never prosper. Are you clear? This is in the interrogative was in positive. Now the assertive will change into negative. A wicked man will never prosper. Now, beta, seventh example, are books not our best friends? Books are our best friends. Books are our best friends. Are you clear? We need not to change the tense also. Same, it should be in the same tense. Why should we lament any loss? We should not lament any loss. Why should we lament any loss? We should not lament any loss. Are you clear, beta? In the previous interrogative, beta, was in a positive one. So what we have made here, we should not, means negative. We have changed it into negative. We should not lament any loss. At the end will be the full stop. I hope the concept must be clear to you. You have to revise these examples very well to make your base strong.